You know, the year 2025 is 52% complete. We're in the second half of the year. And in my rumination, I found out something strange. We are all basically time travelers. And I don't mean the sci-fi movie type of hopping into a machine and landing in 2050. But I mean that in how we actually navigate time, in how our choices move us. Some people move through time hour by hour, day by day, living in this routine where Monday leads to Tuesday, and that's it. Nothing changes, just cycles repeated. But some people, they make one decision, they take one risk, they meet one person, and it's like they just jumped 10 years into the future. I mean, think about it. Some people work at a job for 5 years, saving slowly, stacking experience, and there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. Then you have someone else who takes a leap into starting a business. He fails fast, learns hard lessons, grows networks, he gets funding, and in 2 to 3 years, they are already living a reality that the first person will have only reached in maybe like 2035, if ever. We are all moving through time, just not at the same pace. And the more that I think about it, the more that I become sure that even though you can't outrun time, you can outpace it. Some people's conversations push them decades ahead in thinking, while some people's environment lock them into yesterday. It's like two farmers. One plants a mango tree that takes about 10 years to bear fruit. The other plants maize that takes about 3 months or so. They are both farming, but the timelines of their harvest is radically different. Sometimes it's not even about hard work. It's about which future your work is tied to. Remember, I've told you so many times before that the future is not a geographical construct. The future is a series of events that encapsulate the maturation of human purpose. By that definition, you realize that effort doesn't always equal advancement. Direction does. Taking 10,000 steps on a treadmill cannot get you from point A to point B. Now, you know what else is crazy? Mistakes are time travel too, but often in reverse. A bad investment, a wrong relationship, a drug addiction, they can set you back years. So yeah, when we say everyone has their time, it's true, but it's also misleading, because time is not this passive thing that just arrives. Time is something that you travel through on the strength of the vehicle of your decisions. So, back to the beginning of this conversation. Now, you see that the question isn't really what year it is. The question is, how far have your decisions taken you? And how far behind have they left you? Because every decision is a vehicle. Some are rockets, some are wheelbarrows, some are even in reverse gears. The calendar measures years, wisdom measures distance.